So good morning friends. In today's lecture we will see the next level of problems. So here we go. In problem they say that a rigid body AB, so that rigid body is nothing but this rod AB of 75 kilonewton hangs from the three wires of equal length. Okay, so there are three wires which is having length is equal and which hangs which holds the load of 75 kilonewton, and that 75 kilonewton load is of that bar AB. Okay, the middle wire is of steel and two outer wires are of copper. Okay, so they are giving us the material of the wire. Now if cross sectional area of each wire is 250 mm square, calculate the load shared by the each wire and stress developed between them. Okay, also they are giving us the E for steel and E for copper. Okay, so as in figure there are three wires. Let us say there is a roof. On that roof where we are having three wires and which holds the load of 75 kilonewton bar AB. Okay, so we are having load P is equals to 75 kilonewton, so which is converted into the Newton, so it is 10 raised to 3, 75 into 10 raised to 3. Area of both the wires are the same. Okay, both material wires having the same cross sectional area. Then ES is 210 gigapascal and EC is for copper and ES is for steel. Okay, now we have to find the load PS, that is load on the steel wire, and PC, it is the load on the copper wire. Also we have to find the rho S, that is the stress on the steel wire, and the stress on the copper wire, rho C. So we have to find all this. Okay, now by observing the figure, if we are applying the 75 kilonewton load on the three wires and wires is of the same length, okay, that's why the total elongation occurred in the steel and copper wires must be the same. ओके, म्हणजे काय व्हायला पाहिजे, ह्या तीन वायरला काय केलं आपण, एक 75 किलोमीटर लोड लावला, जे काही इलॉंगेशन होईल ह्या कॉपर वायरमध्ये, ह्याची समजा लेंथ आहे एल आपण कन्सिडर करा. तिन्ही वायर्स काय म्हणलं आपण प्रॉब्लेममध्ये काय दिलेलं आहे, द थ्री वायर्स ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ, म्हणजे लेंथ काय सेम आहे. समजा मग एल ह्याची आहे लेंथ, तर जे काय 75 किलोन्यूटनमुळे जे काही इलॉंगेशन होईल लोड लावल्यामुळे ओरिजिनल लेंथमध्ये, ते पण इलॉंगेशन काय असणार आहे, तिन्ही केसमध्ये सेमच असणार आहे. ओके, दॅट्स वाय बाय युजिंग दॅट कंडिशन we can find the load. Okay, so here condition number 1 is what, the change in the length of steel wire is equals to change in the length of copper wire, as the length of the wires are same. Okay, therefore delta L steel equals to delta L copper. Now as we are knowing the formula, delta L steel is nothing but the PS into LS, that is PS is load on steel, LS it is the length of steel wire, divided by AS it is the area of that steel wire, and ES which is given is equals to PC into LC divided by AC into EC. Okay, now length of both the wires are same, so we can cancel LS to LC. Also area is same also, therefore we can cancel area of steel to area of copper, so AS to AC we can cancel it. So it just becomes, or there is only remaining thing is P divided by AS, that is PS divided by AS, which is equals to PC divided by AC. Okay, sorry there is mistake. So here is not AS, it is ES, and here EC. Okay, because area get cancelled. Therefore after putting the values we are getting one relation, that is PS is equals to 1.75 PC. Okay, it means that the load on the steel is 1.75 times of load on the copper. Okay, so by using this relation we can find the load. Okay, now there is second condition. Second condition was whatever load applied on the three wires are addition of the all these loads on wire of steel wire and copper wire is equals to the total load. ओके, सो जो काही लोड आपण अप्लाय करू ह्या तिन्ही वायरवर तर तो किती असणार आहे, सेपरेट वायरवर जो काही लोड येईल त्याची ॲडिशन असणार आहे. ओके, सो पी इज इक्वल्स टू पी एस प्लस ट्वाइस पी सी. Okay, PS is for the load on the steel wire and PC is for the load on copper wire. Now as we are having two copper wires, so here we are taking P is equals to PS plus twice PC. Okay, now in previous slide we are calculating the relation between the PS and PC. So PS is equals to 1.75 PC, therefore put the value of PS. So total load P, that is 75 into 10 raised to 3 Newton equals to PS ची व्हॅल्यू काय काढली आहे मागच्या रिलेशन मध्ये 1.75 PC plus twice PC. Okay, so here is only one unknown, that is PC. So after calculation we are getting PC is equals to 20 kilonewton and PS is equals to 35 kilonewton. Okay, so these are the load on the steel wire and load on the copper wire. Now rho s means it is the stress on the steel wire. So stress is equals to force per unit area. So we are having PS, that is the 35 kilonewton divided by area given, it is 250 mm square. So we are getting rho s is equals to 140 Newton per mm square, so stress on the steel wire. Similarly rho c is equals to 80 Newton per mm square. ओके, कंडिशन प्रॉब्लेम काय एकदम सिंपल प्रॉब्लेम आहे, दोन कंडिशन यूज करायचे आहेत. लेंथ ऑफ द चेंज इन लेंथ इज ऑलवेज सेम फॉर ऑल द वायर्स इफ लेंथ ऑफ द वायर इज सेम ऑल्सो. ओके, इन सम प्रॉब्लेम also if we see this formula, so this formula we can also write it as PS by AS, it is nothing but the stress rho s into LS divided by ES, which is equals to rho C. Okay, तो small लिहूयात आपण, which is equals to rho C into LC divided by EC. Okay, rho C and rho S काय stress is equals to force per unit area, so PS by AS. Okay, now in this problem we are having the length of all the wires are same, तिन्हीची लेंथ काय होती आपली सेम होती, but sometimes they are having construction like this. So this is the rod, okay, hang by the wire number 1, wire number 2, and at the same time there is third wire attached at the center. Okay, now length of the wire 1 is greater than the length of the wire 2. So what happened in this case? Okay, so in this case there is only change in the formula. ओके, फॉर्म्युलामध्ये पण चेंज काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला, फक्त इथं सिग्मानं कॅल्क्युलेट करा, सॉरी रोनं कॅल्क्युलेट, स्ट्रेसनं कॅल्क्युलेट करा. एव्हरीथिंग इज सेम, डिफॉर्मेशन इज ऑलवेज सेम. लेंथ जरी चेंज झाली तरी पण डिफॉर्मेशन काय असणार आहे, सेमच असणार आहे. ओके, जो तुम्हाला प्रॉब्लेम मी आता ह्याच्यामध्ये दिलेला आहे गुगल फॉर्ममध्ये, त्यामध्ये तुम्हाला काय करायचं, स्ट्रेस काढायचं आहे. ओके, सो समटाइम्स यू गेट द रिलेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस. इथं कशामध्ये आलेलं आहे रिलेशन, इथं फोर्समध्ये आलेलं आहे. ओके, समटाइम्स यू आर गेटिंग रिलेशन स्ट्रेस फॉर स्टील इज इक्वल्स टू 1.75 रो सी ऑन कॉपर, स्ट्रेस ऑन कॉपर. ओके, आता ही 1.75 व्हॅल्यू मे बी चेंज, सो इट मे बी 2.2, 3.1, whatever their value may be changed, but relations you can obtain relation in terms of load or in terms of stress. Okay, now when there is a change in the area, or there is area is not given, in that case you have to find the relation in stress. Okay, so remember that if area given, then we are having force relation. Okay, and if area is not present, we are not having area, in that case we are getting the stress relation. Okay, so by using same formula or same condition, change in length of the wire, first wire equals to change in length of the second wire, find the relation of load or stress, and then total load is equals to addition of the all loads in the system. Okay, so total load equals to load carried by the one wire plus load carried by the another wire. So by using this relation you can calculate the second load. Okay, so this is, so I form one Google form for you, in that we are having two problems, depends on the same situations, slightly change in the values and conditions, slightly change. So just go through it, solve the problem, fill the Google form and submit it before 4 p.m. today. Okay, so I hope you can understand it properly. Just study. If you are having any kind of problem, then ask me immediately, we can solve it. So thank you for watching the video. Kindly go through it. It may ask, this kind of problems may ask you for the 6 to 8 marks or 5 to 8 marks. Okay, they are simple type of problems. Okay, but these conditions or these problems are the base of the complicated problems, which we can see in next few lectures. Okay, so thank you. Kindly go through the Google form and submit it before 4 p.m. Thank you.